Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel for another video. So, today is our day 6 in Laos series, and we are saying goodbye to this beautiful town of Wang Liang, and we are headed to Luang Prabang. The journey to Luang Prabang is supposed to be very scenic. Also, the entire town of Luang Prabang is known as UNESCO World Heritage Site. That is why we are really excited about today. So stay tuned with us till the end to see this town and the journey.
So we are now headed to the railway station, which is about just 10 minutes of drive, and we are going via this tuk-tuk, which costed us about 80,000 kip.
So for our journey to Luang Prabang, we have booked the high-speed bullet train. We have already booked the tickets using laostrain.com. We'll drop the link in the description below if you want to book it online. And we still have half an hour to go, so let's get the check-in done. So we are traveling on 4th of December and the booking for this train started on 1st December and we booked the tickets on 1st December around 11 a.m. At that time the second class was totally sold out. Luckily we were able to book the first class ticket. First and business class was still available at that time. So if you are planning to travel, make sure you book it as soon as possible, or you can take the help from any travel agent. They'll be able to help you to get the other train options. There are other trains which take about the slower ones take about 1 hour 15 minutes or 30 minutes or so. This one takes about 52 minutes, so I think this is the best option, so try to get this. So in the first class, the seats are way more comfortable and there is a huge leg space as well.
So we will add the details from where we have booked the tickets and the cost of first class and second class tickets.
Every corner of Laos feels like a postcard. So the route from Wang Liang to Luang Prabang is really scenic. One minute you see the limestone cliffs, and the next you are surrounded by rolling green hills. Right outside the railway station, you can easily find a shared van to your hotel.
It will be much cheaper than if you try to book the direct cab till the hotel. It was showing us about 2 lakh for the private cab, but with this, like, we'll be able to go till the hotel in 80,000 kip.
So we have reached Luang Prabang and we checked into our hotel. Hotel was about 25 minutes away from the Luang Prabang railway station. We are staying at Merry Riverside Hotel and we will be sharing the detailed review about that place very soon in another video, so stay tuned for that. So after the check-in, we just came out to explore the town. First impression about the town, we really love the vibe. It's so lively. You'll see small bakeries and cafes around, and it's pretty small town, but it looks really nice. There are so many attractions to see. So we have just come out for a quick lunch, and then we'll decide what all we can cover today.
So our plan for the evening is to have the experience of sunset cruise on the Mekong River.
So Mekong River is very nearby to our hotel. It is about 1 kilometer from our place. The way till here was very scenic, very cute cafes और बहुत ही chill vibe है. On this road there are too many cruises and boat rides options. अगर आपको regular boat ride करनी है तो वो 100K kip से start हो जाएंगी. And then there are big cruise options which goes up like 300K, 400K, different prices according to the inclusions. हम कर रहे हैं सासा क्रूज which costed us about 295K kip per person and it includes a welcome drink and some light snacks. That is our cruise that we are going to do. हम कर रहे हैं सनसेट क्रूज तो उसका जो चेक इन टाइम है वो है 4:20 एंड द क्रूज स्टार्ट एट 4:45. इट्स अ 2 hours क्रूज और उस पे भी अगर आपको कुछ अलग से डिनर करना है या कुछ खाना है तो यू कैन प्लेस एन ऑर्डर एंड यू कैन गेट इट. वैसे तो ये क्रूजेज और बोट राइड्स अलग अलग टाइमिंग पे चलते हैं बट जो बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस है वो है सनसेट क्रूज का एंड इसका टाइमिंग वेरी कर सकता है. हमारे टाइम पे 4:45 तो आप जिस भी सीजन में आ रहे हो आप यहाँ पर जो काउंटर्स हैं वहाँ पे आप पहले ही कंफर्म कर सकते हो कि सनसेट वाला टाइम क्या है. So we still have some time for the boarding, so we thought that we'll explore the areas nearby. So this entire road is all about guest houses, cafes, and a cool aesthetic. Pani puri. Oh, there is roti also. Also, I'm not exaggerating when I say that every corner of Luang Prabang feels like a postcard. It's so beautiful.
So we got these very nice seats and just waiting for the cruise to start. So there are multiple options for the cruise and the boat rides. You can also opt for these kind of boats which looks pretty comfortable as well. And on the way we also saw some private tours options, so that you can also opt if you are into it.
So they'll bring you to the middle of the river and you just behind you there will be mountain ranges all over and the sunset. I'll add the videos. I mean, the video won't do the justice, but it is really pretty. If you are planning a trip to Luang Prabang, then you should definitely keep this in your itinerary. You should definitely not miss this experience. There were few interactive activities on the cruise, some games, magic show, and a few other voluntary events that were happening. We were really tired from our Wang Liang trip and we really needed a break. And I think this sunset cruise was the perfect way to get that break. It was like 2 hours of beautiful views and doing absolutely nothing. very close to Mekong River, there is this night market that is there every day, and it starts around 5:30. और वहाँ पे आपको हर टाइप की चीज मिल जाएगी, like traditional dresses, souvenirs, paintings, postcard, all those kind of things. On the road there were a lot of cafes, and once the night market ends, there is a food court, and there you'll find all kind of food. So there was a Korean counter, then there was a Chinese counter, and then there was also a Japanese counter. We tried their pancake and it was amazing. We had a lot of fun today exploring the streets of Luang Prabang just like the local. We tried some great food and had an amazing sunset experience. But it's not over yet. We still have a lot of things planned for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering!